Hello everyone, welcome to my final portfolio speech. I'm Hanzhong and I'm a student from the University of Toronto. I just finished the course of public speaking. As my final portfolio speech, I want to talk about what I have learned in this course and what I think is helpful for me in this course. When I want to discuss the following two topics in this speech. The first one is that what should I do when I prepare the speech? And the second one is that what should I do when I deliver the speech? For the preparing one, the first thing I need to do is to have a comprehensive impression about the content I want to do a speech about, right? And the language I use in the speech according to my audience. For example, when I make a speech about knowledge in statistics science for a child who is in the primary school, something like that, I should not use too many professional terms. I need to switch the professional terms into plain language because primary school students do not have the same level of professional knowledge as a university student who is major in the statistics science, right? So we need to translate the language they cannot understand to the plain language they can get the information, right? And the second thing is that I need to prepare a good outline. You may confuse about what is a good outline. A good outline contains about the aim of the speech, and we can also divide the whole outline into three parts. For example, the introduction part, the body part, and last, the conclusion part. We can also show main points and supporting points in the outline, and by our professor, we are advised to provide the supporting point by both main point and the supporting point in full sentences. This can help me to have a better control of the content I want to talk about and have a better order of the speech. And for the second part, let's come to the delivery of the speech. For my delivery, in this course, I think this one is the most useful for me because before I take this course, when I do a speech, I only just like this stand here and look at the floor, or even to look at the ceilings to avoid to get eye contact with the audience. But in this course, I was taught that our which means the speech givers gesture is very important. We need to use different gestures when we deliver the speech so that the audience can enjoy a more fluent process of speech. And second, eye contact is very important in the speech. For example, I can read your faces and I can read if you are confused about the content or you already know the content in your face, right? Before I come to the public speaking course, I seldom read the impression on the audience. So sometimes the speech was a little not active. So today I know why the speech I delivered before are not active because I lose the eye contact. Yes. And there is another thing important to remember that I can use pausing to control the beat of the speech. You may find that just in the beginning of this speech, I use pause, and everyone just look at me and wants to know why I use the pause. Maybe this one is a better way that contract everyone into the speech, right? In conclusion, the main points I mentioned above are the points that leave me with a great and deep impression on the public speaking course. And the public speaking course taught me many useful knowledge and skills on delivering a speech, not only the two things that I mentioned above. And that is my final portfolio speech. Thank you everyone to come here.